Nice soft breath in through your nose, and out through your mouth. How's that pressure, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, another breath in and out. And deep breath in and out. Shoulders relax. Good. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Gentle breath in and out. Okay. Pi Z form. Good. Nice soft breath in and out. Good. Let your shoulders relax. Let your hips relax and come down this way. Good. Now let your head drop. Good. Let your shoulders drop. Good.
Yay. that's good.
Good. Loosey-goosey here. Let your shoulders relax. Good. Toes are so tiny. I can't grip them. Too small. Let your shoulders relax. Good. More. Good. Relax your shoulders. Squeeze. Good. Relax. Relax. Look straight ahead. Good. Okay, lean forward just a little bit. I'm going to reach around the front here. Just let this go. Loosey-goosey. Let this go. Good. Good. Same thing. I'm going to reach around here. Okay, let your shoulders relax. Good. Let this go. Loose. Let your shoulders go. How's your back feel? How's your mid-back feel right now?
My back feels really good.
Do you have any pain?
No.
Okay. Okay, now let your shoulders be soft.
Oh.
Good, now let this go. Good. Okay, now let your shoulders be soft.
Oh.
Good, nice and gentle. Another breath, good, out. And let your body just sink in. Let your whole body just let it go. Good. Again. And out. Let it go. Let your hips go.
Oh, I just thought that needed that.
Again, lay your back. Breathe. Good. Again. Good. And let it go. Breathe. Good. That was good. Lean back. You were like anticipating that. Hardcore. Let this relax. Just kind of sink in. Good.
Nice. Oh my gosh.
Let it go. Good. Again. One more. Relax. Okay, let your shoulder relax. Just kind of sink in. Look straight ahead. Okay, squeeze. Relax. Squeeze. Good. Let this go. Look straight ahead. Good. One more. Let this go. Good. Chin to your chest. Good. Lean forward. Just kind of like relax. Let your shoulders relax. Did you feel that last one?
Yeah.
Go ahead and take a deep breath in through your nose and then out through your mouth. Good. And just sink in nice and gentle. Good.
Ooh.
And out. Good. Let your shoulders sink in. Let it all go. Okay, so another deep breath in and out. Lean back. Good. Good.
Ooh.
So take a nice soft breath in and out. Good. Gentle, gentle little stretch here.
Ooh. That was crazy.
Lay on your back. Okay, nice soft breath in and out. Good. Good. One more, a little bit lower now. That was the S1, now the S4. Good, let it go, let your hips go. There you go. Nice, gentle breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Good, nice loosey-goose here. How's that, okay?
Yeah, that was really good.
Okay, good. There's one more, just a little bit further up. Like right here. Let it drop.
I've never cracked my neck like that, though.
Good. Let your head drop. Let your shoulders drop. Good. All right, deep breath in through your nose, and out through your mouth. Good, one more. Okay, hold your knees together.
Okay.
Hold your knees together. Don't let me pull them apart. Hold your knees. Good. Okay, look straight ahead. Shake.
This one.
No. Right
Oh.
hand. Squeeze. That's good. Okay, relax here. Let this relax. Let that relax. Squeeze. No. Squeeze. Harder. Relax. Whoa. Go straight ahead. Your wrist ever bother you?
Yeah, all the time. Sometimes in school, I'll have to like stop writing because my wrist and my hands hurt so bad from just taking like a page of notes.
Damn professors.
Right?
You're right. So let's do that again. Okay, take a nice soft breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And just sink in, shoulders sinking in. Nice and gentle little push here. Let your shoulders relax and just sink in everywhere. Good. Breathe softly in and out.
Wow.
Good. Good, let it go.
Oh my goodness. I don't even know how to react to it. I feel like I should be in pain and I'm not.
Not through your mouth. Good.
Oh my god. That was intense.
Here, let that go.
Oh my gosh, my friend Brie does this to me all the time.
Okay, we're gonna do the left side first. I'm gonna reach around the front, okay, Kayla? And then let your shoulder relax here, just kind of like loosey-goosey. Just let this go. Lean forward a little bit more. We'll give this a push. Oh, hold on. Good. And I'm gonna very gently just come down with your breath here and give this a little push. It's already starting to move. Let's go do that breath again. And out. Good, nice and gentle. Another deep breath in through your nose, far in as you can go. Good, and out. Okay, nice and loosey-goose, just like that. Let your shoulders relax. Nice breath in through your nose, and out. Good, let this go, loosey-goose. Go lay on your back, at the bottom of the sacrum, and we're gonna go upwards. Nice and gentle here, good. We're gonna do one more. Good, lay on your back. Close your eyes and just take a nice soft breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Let this go. Close your eyes, soft breath in through your nose and out. Good, let your head drop. Good, let your shoulders drop, let your everything. And just sink in, very gentle. We're gonna do this here. Let this go. Shake, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Okay, relax. Look straight ahead. Okay. Let your shoulders relax. Here, look straight ahead. That's good. Let this come down. Let this drop. Good. Look straight ahead again. Good. Squeeze. Okay, relax.